Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a contact form into your GoDaddy website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want a contact form in your GoDaddy website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing services, you want to make sure that you have a contact form so your customers can reach out to you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a contact form, first you're going to click here on the top right website. Once you do that, you're going to see the different pages that you have. Go ahead and choose the page that you want to add the contact form to. Once you've chosen the page, go ahead and scroll down to the section or area that you want to add the contact form to. So for example, right here next to these tacos. So next you want to choose, do you want the contact form above this section or below the section? So you're going to see these little plus icons on the top and the bottom. So for me, maybe I want to add the contact form below these tacos. So I'm going to click on the plus icon below the tacos. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the add section button, and you're going to see this menu, and you want to scroll down until you see contact. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu and click on contact. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the various contact forms you can add into your GoDaddy website builder. So for example, I kind of like this one right here, and just click on the form, and now it's adding it in. Quick second later, it pops up. So now we have the contact form underneath our tacos. So we can just click into the form right here. Once you click into there, off to the right, you're going to see the menu. So you can go ahead and edit this. So contact us, we can maybe change the title of that. And then here we can see we have these options: name, email, phone, and then these other boxes. So to change that around, what we're going to do is here on the menu, we're going to scroll down until we see this button, contact form. Okay, now if we scroll down a little bit more, we can see the form options. So you can see there's 7 of 14 fields. So maybe I don't really need this other note section. So I'll click in here and then I'll delete that and then click delete again, and see the form is shortened. And maybe we need to add in some other information. You can click here, add, and then let's say, what are your favorite topics? Okay. And then we can go ahead and choose multi-line, single line, or phone number. So we'll just do multi-line text, and then we're going to click on done. Okay. So now they can go ahead and type in what are their favorite tacos. And then once you're done adding in the contact form, be sure to click on publish here on the top left, and then choose the website, and it's going to start publishing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a contact form into your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.